Madam, is this a designated site for garbage?
This is not a designated site. There is an MRF. The people come to collect. They could have kept it there and told the punch or whoever, informed us that the garbage is kept there. We would have collected from there. Now, from wherever it is kept, we don't know from where it is brought. We don't have any idea. If it is collected from our village or elsewhere, that also I don't know.
So what is going to be the next step of action, madam?
Now we'll write to the police. We'll have to take some action on this because this is not a dumping yard, right? So we also have to think today if we pick it up and take without informing the police, anyone, it will, tomorrow more garbage will come and they'll dump over here, right? This is not a dumping yard. So we have to take some action regarding this.
I would like to say you people have done a good job, and you should have informed me or my sarpanch and also. And it is not the right way to come and dump at the panchayat. It feels very bad on my side, from the panchayat side, that you are educated people and you do such things where we feel we are helpless like people.
तुमका कोणी फोन बी केलो, इन्फॉर्म बी केलो?
म्हाका कोणी काय फोन बीन करूं का काय सांगू. फक्त एक व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाल्लो की आम्ही गार्बेज क्लीन केला खोलातले आणि ते गार्बेज हाडून हांगा उडयला काय कोणी उडयला ते काय खबर ना.
तुमचे तो मेसेज किती आहे?
मातशें तुमी जे कोणी उडयला तेंच्यांनी येवन काडचे हांगासरले आनी व्हरून MRF कडेन दिवचे. इतलेंच म्हणणें म्हजें. थँक्यू.
Anything else, madam?
Okay. We phoned the police also and they have also come for our rescue over here. And I am very thankful for police and you all also for coming here.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
मैं हम लेटर
Thank you,
करता
sir.
हूँ.